This is Nano Pro, an AI image and video generator with multiple providers in one app.
Here is the main interface. On the left, you write your prompt and add context. You can upload character and outfit reference images. On the right is the preview area and generate button.
Now clicking API key to open the settings panel.
Under Active Provider, you see 5 image options: Google Gemini and OpenAI DALL-E 3 at the top. Nano Banana 2 is selected in yellow, then Kie AI and ComfyUI.
As you click each one, it highlights to show which is active. The cursor is moving through them now. Below that, Video Provider. 4 choices. VO 3.1 Fast at 20 cents a second, VO 3.1 Lite at 5 cents, FAL.ai Video also at 5 cents, which is selected now, and ComfyUI 1 2.2, which is free on your own GPU. Now, clicking through the video options, you can see each one highlights as you select it. Opening the FAL.ai video model dropdown, 6 models to choose from: MiniMax Video, Kling 2.1, VO 3.1 Lite, WAN 2.1, LTX Video at 2 cents a second, and HunyuanVideo. Scrolling down to the API key fields, you can see Gemini, OpenAI, FAL.ai, marked as active, and Kie AI. Each has a link to get a key. At the bottom, ComfyUI Connection lets you connect to a local or cloud instance. Gallery Settings has autosave to back up every image automatically. Hit Save Keys and you are done. Setup complete, ready to start creating. Now the features across the top. Clicking Presets opens a drop-down of cinematic styles: spy thriller, romantic drama, sci-fi, horror, documentary, fashion editorial. Select one and the app builds a complete prompt. You can see it here: full cinematic language, camera details, lighting, all generated automatically. Next, Story Mode. This opens a planner where you describe a story idea. Choose how many scenes, 4 to 8. Then pick a style preset. The AI will plan your entire visual sequence from one sentence. Close that, and back to the main screen. Save and load let you keep your projects. Save your prompt, settings, everything. Come back to it anytime. And here is a generated result: a dark noir portrait, woman in a mirror, exactly matching the cinematic prompt we built with the preset. Now browsing the Nano Banana Prompt Lab, a library of ready-made prompts with AI-generated examples you can explore and use. Browsing the categories: photorealistic, stylized, text on image, product mockups, and comic. Hundreds of prompts with preview images you can use right away. Switching to product mockups: miniature concepts, street scenes, AI artwork, Instagram layouts. Each prompt is ready to copy and use. Now the Camera Movements library. This is a collection of AI video prompts for different camera techniques: slow dolly in, dolly out, fast dolly, vertigo effect, extreme macro zoom, cosmic hyper zoom, over the shoulder, and fisheye. Keep scrolling. Reveal from behind, through shot, reveal from blur, rack focus. Each one has a description and example image showing exactly what it does. Shot types now: macro shot, medium shot, high angle, low angle, eye level. Every angle you would use in film, with AI-ready prompts for each. And camera movements: push in, pull out, handheld, static, crane shots, pan, and tilt. a complete toolkit for cinematic AI video. Back in the app with our generated image ready to go. That covers the features. Next up, we will generate some images live. Now the lab. This is where you build your prompt in detail. The lab breaks everything down. Subject and environment at the top. You can describe your character and the setting separately. Below that, shot type, mood, and environment details. Open the shot type selector and you get visual options: wide angle, ultra wide, telephoto, macro, close-up, portrait, aerial, low angle, high angle, Dutch angle, each with a preview image. Back in the lab, scrolling down to lighting and mood. You can pick specific lighting styles and atmosphere. The constructed prompt on the right updates in real time as you make selections. Opening the lighting selector. Low-key lighting, chiaroscuro, Rembrandt lighting, hard noir, silhouette. Each style has a description and example, so you know exactly what you are getting. Now, atmosphere. Oppressive, claustrophobic, menacing, paranoid. These add mood and tension to your image. Each comes with detailed prompt language that gets added automatically. Photographer style is next. Shoot in the style of Lubetsky, Hoytema, Robert Richardson, Christopher Doyle, Roger Deakins, Annie Leibovitz, Gregory Crewdson, Steve McCurry, and more. Professional cinema looks with one click. Camera body selector, Arri Alexa 35, Arri Amira, Venice 2, Red Monster 8K, Red Weapon, Red V Raptor, Canavision Millennium. Each camera adds its specific look and color science to the prompt. And lens type: Canon CNE Prime, Fujinon Primista, Leica Cine Zoom, Arri Signature Prime. The lens choice affects depth of field, sharpness, and character in the final image. All selections feed into the constructed prompt. Every detail, from lighting to lens to atmosphere, builds one complete cinematic prompt, ready to generate. Now let us generate an image. Here is the prompt. A hyper-realistic Viking warrior silhouetted beneath a blood-red eclipse, shot on Leica with cinematic lighting. FAL.ai is the selected provider. Clicking Generate Image. The system sends the prompt to FAL.ai, and we wait for the result. And there it is, a Viking warrior under a blood-red eclipse, exactly as described. The detail is impressive. Crimson light, violet haze, dramatic shadows. Below the image, you get Refine and Download buttons. Refine lets you adjust the result. Download saves it straight to your machine. Now watch this. The app is directing a scene sequence. It takes your single image and generates multiple camera angles automatically. Four angles generated: wide establishing shot, low angle, side profile, and reverse POV. All from one prompt, all consistent in style. You can scroll through each angle. Same character, same lighting, different perspectives. This is what makes it powerful for storyboarding. Each scene gets a camera movement drop-down: static, pan, tilt, dolly in, dolly out, slow zoom, tracking shot, handheld, crane, or orbit. Pick the movement for each angle. Export Video Manifest lets you export the whole sequence with camera movements assigned, ready for video production. Saving the project. And there it is in the downloads, the project file and the auto-saved image, everything backed up. Now let us use Story Mode to build a full storyboard from one idea. Opening Story Mode. You describe your story idea in the text box. Here we are typing, a spacecraft approaching Earth, coming in too fast for re-entry, burning up on descent, but managing to land, battered from the heat. Four scenes selected, sci-fi epic style. Now clicking Generate Story. The AI takes that one sentence and builds a complete cinematic storyboard. And here it is, Pathfinder's Fiery Ordeal. 4 scenes generated. Scene 1, the Azure World beckons. Ultra-wide shot with a slow dolly in. Scene 2, Inferno descent. Telephoto with a tracking shot. Scrolling through. Scene 3, Scarred Earth impact. High angle with crane. Scene 4, Battered survivor. Close-up and static. Each scene has its own shot type, lighting, mood, and camera movement already assigned. Each scene has a Generate This Scene button. You can generate them one by one or hit Generate All Scenes at the top. Generating the scenes now. Watch the status change. Scene 2 is generating. Scene 1 has completed and the image has been added to the storyboard automatically. Scene 1 complete with a stunning space image. Scene 2 complete. the spacecraft tearing through the atmosphere in flames. Each image matches the description perfectly. Look at the detail. The fiery descent, the heat, the atmosphere burning around the craft, all generated from one sentence. Back in the main app, the crashed spaceship is the featured image. Below, the story timeline shows all 4 scenes with their generated images, and Export Video Manifest is ready to go.